Good morning and welcome to Fracking Week, Catastrophic Science students. Today is Monday, April 27th, and today we begin Fracking Week with an introduction to what fracking is. As you know, we are on the pollution disaster. Right now we are on pollution disasters and catastrophic science. And one pollution disaster that is prominent in the United States right now is fracking. Today you'll be watching two introductory videos which discuss what fracking is, why it is a potential danger to our environment. You'll find the fracking introductory videos on Google Classroom. There's also a handout attached. Please be sure that you jot a few notes down on each of those two introductory videos. This one is a little different. When you click on it, there's one handout. And on the handout, the videos are embedded. So when you look at the handout, when you open the handout, click on the blue headings to the videos, and then you'll have to double click it, because when you click on it, hover over it, you'll see the YouTube link there, and then just click on the YouTube link and you'll be able to get to those videos. But when you watch the videos, jot a few notes down so that I know that you saw the videos. Fracking is a method of drilling and getting to natural gas out of the ground. In the process of doing that, they inject a lot of chemicals into the ground to help force and help recover the gas. So you'll be hearing about how fracking works and why it's a potential problem to our environment. Have a great Monday, and we will see you tomorrow.